Well, Wrens, I must say, it was so nice to meet you this morning. You were all so very kind. I just wanted to send you a message to say how fantastic my new rainforest is. I absolutely love it. It's so green and the trees are really big and so are the leaves. It's a perfect place for me to be camouflaged. So much so that I am camouflaged in there right now. So whenever you walk through our rainforest, make sure to keep an eye out to see if you can find me. And again, I just want to thank you all so much for working hard to make the rainforest look like my Amazon home. Thank you, and maybe see you soon.